Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and in operating system, let us discuss what are the various types of operating system. Okay, so there are the list of the basically operating system types. So mainframe operating system, server operating system, multiprocessor operating system, personal computer operating system, handheld computer operating system, embedded operating system, sensor node operating system, real time operating system, smart card operating system. So these are the types of operating system. Now let us see the brief of the each and every operating system. So the first one is mainframe operating system. So operating system found in room sized computers which are still found in major corporate data centers. So they offer three kind of services: batch OS, then transaction processing and time sharing. So the in-batch OS is processes routine jobs without any interactive user present. That means claim processing in insurance. The second one is transaction processing, handles large number of small processes. That means check processing at banks. And the third one is time sharing. It allows multiple remote users to run their job at once. That means queuing a database, airline booking system. So these are the services which is provided by this operating system. So the example of mainframe operating system is OS 390 and OS 360. The next one is server operating system. So this is one server and there are different clients connected with it. So this operating system run on server which are very large PC, workstation or even mainframes. So the basically this operating system runs on the server and which are actually very large PC, either it is a workstation or even mainframes. They serve multiple users at once over a network and allow the user to share hardware and software resources. So basically this is a client server architecture, and in that server we are using operating system. It is actually server operating system. It provides print services, file services and web service. So it handles the incoming request from clients and then it fulfills that request and send the response. So the example of server operating systems are Solaris, FreeBSD and Linux and Windows Server 200X. These are the example of server operating system. The third one is multiprocessor operating system. So a computer system consists of two or more CPU is called multiprocessor. So in which computer system there are two or more CPU is called multiprocessor. It is also called parallel computers, multi-computer or multiprocessor. They need special operating system or some variation on several operating system with special features for communication, connectivity and consistency. So the example of multiprocessor operating system are Windows and Linux. Personal computer operating system. The operating systems installed on our personal computer and laptops are the personal OS. So the job of this OS is to provide good support to single user. It is basically for the personal usage. So this operating system is widely used for word processing, spreadsheet and internet access that we are actually personally use. So the example of the personal computer operating system are Linux, Windows Vista and Mac. The next is handheld computer operating system. So this is the handheld computer and the operating system which is used in it is called handheld computer operating system. So a handheld computer or PDA, personal digital assistant, is a small computer that fit in a pocket and perform small number of functions such as electronic address book, memo, pad. The operating system run on these devices are handheld operating system. So this operating system also provides ability to handle telephony, digital photography and other function. So this operating system is also support this type of features, the telephonic deal, then digital photography and other function that is required in this personal digital assistant. Example of the handheld operating system is Symbian OS and Palm OS. Okay, the next one is embedded operating system. So this is the embedded operating system example. That operating system is installed in ATM, then printers, then calculators and washing machine. These all are the embedded operating system. It runs on the computer that control devices. So it is in that type of computer that control the device. It neither allow to download new software nor accept user install software, so there is no need for protection. So it cannot download new software or it is not accept a user install software, so there is no requirement of security. So the example of embedded operating system are QNX and VxWorks. So these are the operating system which is basically used in printer, calculator, washing machine and in ATM. The next one is sensor node operating system. So network of tiny sensor nodes are being developed for numerous purpose. So these are the basically the tiny sensor nodes, and this is developed for various different purpose. So each nodes are tiny computers. So it is the tiny nodes means it is tiny computer which have a CPU, RAM, ROM and one or more environmental sensors. Okay. So in that type of system, in tiny computers, there is a requirement of operating system, and that operating system is called sensor node operating system. So the operating system installed in these nodes are sensor node operating system. They communicate with each other and with base station using wireless communication. The sensor network are used to protect area of building, detect fires in forest, measure temperature. So there is various purpose for this. Basically this tiny node network is used or sensor network is used. So the example of the sensor node operating system is Tiny OS. Real-time operating system. So the system having time as a key parameter. So the real-time operating system has well-defined fixed time constraint, and processing must be done within defined time constraint, otherwise system fails. So there are two types of real-time operating system. One is hard real-time and second is soft real-time. So in hard real-time, missing an occasional deadline can cause any permanent damage. Many of these are found in industrial process control, car engine control system. So if we are missing any occasionally deadline of time which is caused permanent damage. For example, if it is in industrial process control or it is in the car engine control system. The next one is soft real time. So missing an occasional deadline does not cause any permanent damage used in digital audio multimedia system. So if this real-time operating system used in digital audio then multimedia system, then an occasional deadline missing which does not cause any permanent damage. The example of the real-time operating system is ECOS. The next one is smart card operating system. So the smallest operating system run on smart cards, which are credit card size device containing CPU chip, and this operating system are installed on electronic payment cards such as debit card, credit card, etc. So this operating system is called smart card operating system. They have limited processing power, and some smart cards are Java oriented, and it is run the small program which is on the JVM, Java virtual machine. So the small cards are Java based oriented. Okay, so these are the different 9 types of operating system, and we discuss it in the brief, that what is the task of each and every operating system. Okay, thank you.